the chest of every man. Two gardens breathe beneath one moon in one, while thorns climb broken walls and hungry wolves drink from shallow rivers. In the other, silent rose is open before the sun has spoken. One garden longs for dust, one remembers the sky, and every dawn the heart must choose which gate to water. I walked through markets filled with mirrors. Each mirror begged, look only at yourself. But far beyond the noise, an old lantern burned inside a ruined house. No armies guarded it, no kings pronounced its name. Yet travelers crossed deserts for one small cup of its light. For truth does not shout, it waits like water beneath stone. Oh soul, you were not born for cages made of gold. You were shaped to carry fire through the dark valleys of the world. When hatred gathers like storm clouds become rain, when cruelty sharpens its knife, become bread. For love is a lamp placed gently inside the wounds of creation. The lower self speaks the language of hunger. Take more, climb higher, leave others behind. But the higher wind whispers, be the shelter, be the bridge, be the hand that lifts another. Even a candle loses nothing by lighting 1,000 more. And saints were not born shining, they too once wandered through the markets of dust, their hands full of shadows, until one day light entered them like dawn entering abandoned rooms. O traveler of two worlds, do not mistake noise for greatness. The mountain does not boast, the river does not compete. Only men drunk on mirrors forget the stars above them. The earth is tired of hearts made from iron. It waits instead for souls soft enough to reflect heaven. I saw a child share his last piece of bread with a bird whose wing was broken, and for one breath the whole world became holy. Perhaps paradise is not hidden beyond the clouds. Perhaps it begins the moment a human being chooses mercy over himself. The prophets came like gardeners after winter, placing seeds of light into frozen fields. And every act of justice is still one of those seeds. So polish the mirror of the heart until it remembers the sun. Become a lantern in forgotten streets. Become peace where anger once slept. For darkness has no roots, it survives only where light is withheld. And every soul was created to become a window for the eternal dawn. wisely.